How to make your Facebook account private. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account more private. I'll walk you through the best settings to lock down your account step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Now, tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Instead of manually adjusting every setting, Facebook has a built-in tool to help you. In Settings, tap Privacy Checkup. Tap Who can see what you share, then hit Continue. Here, you'll see options to limit who can see your personal details like email address. Set this to only me or friends. Scroll down a bit and select Friends List. If you don't want everyone to see your friends, set it to only me. Tap Next to move on. Now let's lock down your posts and stories so they're not visible to random people. Who can see your future posts? Change this to Friends or Only Me. Then Who can see your stories? Set this to Friends or Custom to allow only certain people. Limit past posts. This will change all public posts to Friends only in one tap. Once you're done, hit Next. Now let's restrict how people can contact you. Go back to Privacy Checkup and tap How people can find and contact you. Set who can send you friend requests. Change it to Friends of Friends to reduce random requests. Tap Next. Who can look you up using your email? Set this to only me or friends. Who can look you up using your phone number? Again, set this to only me. Hit Next. Do you want search engines to link to your profile? Turn this off to prevent your profile from showing up in Google searches. Once you've adjusted everything, review your settings to make sure everything looks good. And that's it. Now you know how to make your Facebook account private in just a few simple steps. If this helped you, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more Facebook privacy tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.